In the church around the corner, everything is gay. Mary Bell and Jackie Horner, 'tis their wedding day. See the bride walk down the aisle, how her cheeks do flush. If you knew her like I do, you'd say she ought to blush. See the bride hide her eyes, she knows everybody's wise. No wonder she's a blushing bride. Every boy in every pew knows how she can bill and coo. No wonder she's a blushing bride. The preacher reads the service while the organ plays. He gets kind of nervous, he knew her in his younger days. 7 daddies, so they say, have come to give this bride away. No wonder she's a blushing bride. We were sweethearts years ago, and you should know the things I know. No wonder she's a blushing bride. She acts scared, watch her shake. You know she's got a lucky break. No wonder she's a blushing bride. I hear someone laughing, well it's no time for that. Maybe that's what you think, but you don't know what they're laughing at. There's her former husband there, there's 2 others over there. No wonder she's a blushing bride. Now you can see, if you search, all her boyfriends in the church. No wonder she's a blushing bride. There is Tom and Dick and Bill, she gave all of them a thrill. No wonder she's a blushing bride. There is Jimmy Johnson, one of those she knew. He could give the bridegroom some inside information too. She knows what he knows right well, she only hopes that he won't tell. No wonder she's a blushing bride.